Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. I want to wish everyone a happy new year. Can't believe it's already 2023. We'll start off the year with Spellbinders' brand new January 2023 Club Kits of the Month. This year I'll be using 3 different club kits. I have their embossing folder of the month on the left. I really enjoyed using that last year, so I'll be doing that again. And Spellbinders has a brand new club kit. This is their 3D embossing folder of the month. And for January, it's this beautiful floral design with the window in the center. The 3D embossing folders add a lot more dimension than the regular embossing folders. I'll also be using the card kit of the month, and this year Spellbinders is changing it up a bit. Instead of the kit coming in a box, you'll receive this reusable zip bag. Overall, the kit is mostly the same, but there are some differences. I'll pull everything out of the bag and go through all of the contents. The card kit theme is Indoor Garden. The kit includes an information card. It has the list of contents. There are a couple of card samples on one side, and on the back side there's a step-by-step tutorial showing how to assemble one of the cards. I really like the colors and designs in this kit. I think it'll work great for masculine and feminine cards. The colored cardstock this year has been cut into A2 size card panels. There are 5 different colors and you'll get 4 of each color. So it's the same as receiving 5 sheets of 8.5 by 11 inch cardstock. It's just been cut into fourths. These are perfect for creating card fronts, then you would just add it onto a card base, but it also works nice for layering different elements on your cards. This month the colors are cream, light pink, yellow, green, and light blue. Another difference is the pattern paper. Instead of coming in a pad with the adhesive at the top, it's all individual sheets. There are 20 sheets of single-sided designs and you'll receive 1 of each. The papers are 6 by 6 inches in size. Several of the designs have the gold foil accents on them. I love all the different plant designs, so pretty. I love the look of the green, black, and coral colors together. This one's really pretty with the black background and the gold grid on top. We have some wood grains, gingham, more plant designs. There's several tone-on-tone patterns. Spellbinders always has a nice variety of patterns in their card kits. Next up we have the 2 sheets of chipboard stickers. Lots of icons and sentiments that match the pattern paper beautifully. We do have the pack of the die cut images, and I will lay all of those out toward the end so you can see everything that's included. There's a sheet of puffy stickers, and it's all sentiments this time. I think the black and white sentiments will work nicely with the pattern paper. For embellishment, there's a full sheet of gem stickers, and these are really pretty. It's like they have glitter sprinkled on the top. Next, there's a bag of chipboard frames, and I love the variety of different frames this month. And there is adhesive on the back. You just have to remove the release paper. The last few are really fun. They have that film strip look, so you could put 3 different images or sentiments in the opening. The kit still includes the adhesive tape and also a sheet of foam squares. The final items that are included in the kit are the card bases and envelopes. You'll receive 8 of each, and these are A2 size. The card bases have a nice linen texture on one side and it's smooth on the other side. So that's everything that's included in Spellbinders January 2023 card kit of the month. And here's a look at all the different die cut shapes, and you do receive 2 of each. The card kits no longer include stamps or dies. So it's perfect for a beginner or someone who doesn't have a die cut machine. But there may be add-ons available each month if you want a little more to go with your card kit. For this month, there's an add-on die set available. You can create several different potted plants, and the images match some of the die cut pieces in the card kit. And sometimes Spellbinders will offer some of the kit content as an extra. So maybe if you want more paper, more die cut images, some of the stickers, you can always go and check out to see what's available. Now here's another look at Spellbinders January 2023 Club Kits of the Month. Now I only received 3 of them. There are lots of other options. If you are interested in subscribing to any of their club kits, I do have links provided in the description box below. And coming soon, I'll be sharing my card video using the fun kits. I haven't decided if I'll do a separate video with the embossing folders or I'll just mix all of the club kits together. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.